Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Bengali font in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Then tap on the video from Edit. Once you open up the video, click on the video from the timeline. Then tap on Text from the menu bar and click on the text of the video from the timeline. Now tap on the Style icon from the menu bar. From Style, go into Font. You can find so many different font styles here. Click on Add Font, tap on plus icon to upload a file. To upload a file, tap on Menu from the top left corner. Then click on Your Phone option. From your phone, click on the Download folder. Select a file you want to upload. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.